Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me. Whether you realize it or not, weather is one of the few things that truly unites us all. No matter where you live or what you do, the weather is always there in the background, quietly shaping our lives. Today, we're talking about something that connects us all: the weather. It's a daily topic of conversation, a reason to smile or sigh, and sometimes a force that demands our attention. It shapes our days, from what we wear to how we travel. Every morning, millions of people check the forecast before stepping outside, deciding between a raincoat or sunglasses, boots or sandals. Weather influences our moods, plans, and even our safety. A sudden downpour can change a picnic into a cozy afternoon indoors, while a heat wave might send us searching for shade and cool drinks. A sunny day lifts spirits, while a storm can change our entire week. The weather can bring people together, sharing stories of surprise hail or unexpected sunshine. It's not just about inconvenience or comfort. Weather creates memories too. Who doesn't remember the first snow of the season, or a summer thunderstorm that lit up the sky? Farmers, airlines, and construction companies all depend on accurate forecasts. For them, weather isn't just a curiosity, it's critical for planning and safety. That's why long-range weather forecasting is so important. It helps us plan and prepare. Knowing what's coming allows us to make decisions that protect our homes, our businesses, and our communities. Knowing a cold snap is coming means we can heat our homes and protect our pipes. It gives us time to stock up on essentials and check on neighbors who might need help. When heavy snow is predicted, cities can get ready to keep roads clear. Emergency services can prepare, and schools can decide whether to stay open or close for safety. As we look ahead to late November in Europe, we're not just reading charts, we're preparing for a story that affects millions. The weather forecast becomes a guide for our daily lives, helping us adapt to whatever comes our way. Will it be rain or snow? Will temperatures drop? These questions aren't just for curiosity, they help us decide how to get to work, what to wear, and how to care for our families. Understanding these patterns helps us make smart choices. It's about being ready for whatever the sky might bring, and making the most of every day, no matter the forecast. So, let's dive into what the second half of November has in store, and see how the weather will shape our days, our plans, and our stories. Have you ever wondered how meteorologists can predict the weather days, or even weeks before it happens? The secret lies in the use of powerful computer models that simulate the atmosphere. These models are the backbone of modern forecasting, allowing us to peer into the future and anticipate what the skies might bring. For this forecast, we rely on the NOAA Global Forecast System, or GFS model. This is a sophisticated global weather prediction system developed by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The GFS model is designed to simulate the entire Earth's atmosphere, from the surface all the way up to the edge of space, and it does so by crunching vast amounts of data every single day. The GFS model gathers information from a huge network of sources: satellites orbiting high above, weather balloons launched from the ground, and thousands of weather stations scattered across the globe. All this data is combined to create a detailed snapshot of the current state of the atmosphere, capturing everything from temperature and humidity to wind speed and air pressure. Once this snapshot is assembled, the model uses complex equations based on the laws of physics and mathematics to simulate how the atmosphere will evolve over time. The globe is divided into a three-dimensional grid, with each cell representing a small chunk of the atmosphere. The model calculates how conditions in each cell will change hour by hour, projecting the movement of air masses, the development of clouds, and the formation of storms. This process allows meteorologists to see how weather systems, like powerful storms or cold fronts, might travel across the Atlantic and impact Europe days in advance. By visualizing these patterns, we can anticipate when and where severe weather might strike, giving people time to prepare. Of course, predicting the future is never perfect, especially when it comes to the atmosphere, which is incredibly complex and always changing. To improve accuracy, meteorologists run the GFS model many times, each with slightly different starting conditions. This technique, called ensemble forecasting, helps us understand the range of possible outcomes and identify which scenarios are most likely. When most of these model runs point to the same outcome, our confidence in the forecast grows. If they disagree, It signals uncertainty, and meteorologists will communicate that in their reports. The GFS model is especially valuable for spotting major weather trends, like the arrival of a cold air surge, a prolonged heat wave, or the risk of heavy rain and flooding. By identifying these threats early, meteorologists can issue timely warnings and help communities stay safe, while the finer details of a forecast may shift as new data comes in. The overall pattern revealed by the GFS model serves as a crucial guide for planning and preparedness. So the next time you check the weather, remember the science and technology working behind the scenes. The GFS model and the experts who interpret it are helping us all stay one step ahead of whatever the weather may bring. The big story for late November in Europe is a clear shift toward winter. The jet stream will dip south, letting Arctic air sweep across the continent. Temperatures will drop, first in the north and east, then spreading everywhere. Daytime highs will struggle, and overnight frosts will become common. For many, it's time to dig out winter coats and gloves. Rain will be widespread, but as cold air deepens, sleet and wet snow could reach lower elevations. Mountain and northern regions will likely see the first significant snow of the season. This isn't just a cold snap, it's the start of a new wintry pattern. The days of light jackets are numbered. This is the turning point. Autumn out, winter in. Next, let's see how this plays out in different regions. In Western Europe, UK, Ireland, France, Benelux, the end of November means rain, and plenty of it. The GFS model shows a parade of Atlantic low-pressure systems bringing days of steady, heavy rain. Expect saturated ground, local flooding, and tough travel conditions, especially around the 20th to 25th. Temperatures will hover in the single-digit Celsius, making it feel raw and damp. Dress in waterproof layers. Getting wet in this chill can quickly sap your warmth. As colder air arrives late in the month, rain could mix with wet snow on higher ground. Most cities will see cold rain, but a wintry mix is a sign that winter is tightening its grip. The message: brace for a soggy, cold, and gloomy end to November. Stay alert for local flooding and travel disruptions. For Scandinavia, the Baltics, Poland, and eastern Germany, the story is snow. Arctic air will plunge south, keeping temperatures below freezing and setting the stage for significant snowfall. Cities like Stockholm, Helsinki, and Tallinn can expect their first real snow blanket of the season. Roads and airports will face delays. Winter tires and snow gear are a must. Further south, places like Warsaw and Prague will see rain turn to snow as the cold deepens. Schools and transport may be disrupted, and everyone will need extra time for daily routines. Mountain resorts will welcome the snow, but most people should prepare for a major seasonal shift. Check your heating, stock up on essentials, and get ready for winter's arrival. For the north and east, winter isn't coming, it's here. Central Europe, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, northern Italy, will see a mix of cold rain and snow. This region sits between Atlantic moisture and Arctic cold, so weather will swing between chilly rain and wintry blasts. German cities will start with cold rain, but snow could mix in as colder air wins out after the 22nd. Watch for icy roads and slippery pavements, especially overnight. In the Alps, expect heavy snow, great for ski resorts, but risky for avalanches and mountain travel. Northern Italy's Po Valley will be trapped under cold, foggy, damp air, with occasional wet snow. Be ready for anything. Icy commutes, deep snow in the mountains, and persistent fog in the valleys. Layer up, check travel updates, and stay flexible. Central Europe's weather will keep everyone on their toes. Prepare for rapid changes and local surprises. This weather will impact your daily life, wherever you are in Europe. Mornings will take longer, scraping ice, dressing in layers, and allowing extra travel time. Public transport may be delayed, and outdoor plans will need adjusting. In the west, rain will make outdoor activities soggy. In the east and north, snow means boots and warm clothes are essential. Heating bills will rise, so check for drafts and seal windows. Cold, damp weather spreads colds and flu. Take care of your health. The winter blues are real, so stay connected with friends and find ways to brighten your days. Make your home cozy, and take advantage of any dry or sunny spells. Being aware of these changes helps you manage them better. Adapt your routine, and you'll handle the season with ease. Preparing for winter doesn't have to be overwhelming. With just a few thoughtful steps, You can make your home and daily routine much safer and more comfortable. Taking action now means you'll be ready for whatever the season brings, from sudden cold snaps to unexpected snow. Start by checking your home for drafts around windows and doors. Sealing up gaps with weather stripping or draft stoppers helps keep precious heat inside, making your living space warmer and your energy bills lower. Even small cracks can let in a surprising amount of cold air, so take your time and check carefully. It's also important to know where your water main is located, just in case you need to shut it off quickly if pipes freeze. While you're at it, schedule a checkup for your heating system to make sure it's running efficiently and safely before the coldest days arrive. If you drive, prepare your car for winter conditions. Fit winter tires if snow or ice is likely in your area, or at least check that your regular tires have enough tread for safe driving. Good tires can make all the difference when roads are slippery. Keep a winter emergency kit in your car. Pack a scraper for your windshield, a warm blanket, a torch with spare batteries, snacks, and bottled water. These simple items can be a real lifesaver if you get stuck or delayed in bad weather. When heading outside, dress in layers. Start with a moisture-wicking base, add a warm fleece, and top it off with a waterproof jacket. Don't forget your hat, gloves, and scarf. Keeping extremities warm is key to staying comfortable and healthy. Choose waterproof, non-slip shoes, or boots for walking on wet or icy streets. Good footwear helps prevent slips and falls, which are common in winter. Before you leave home, make sure your phone is fully charged. Carry a portable power bank so you can stay connected, even if you're delayed or the power goes out. Stock up on essentials like groceries, bottled water, and any medications you might need. Having a well-stocked pantry means you can stay safe and comfortable at home if a storm keeps you indoors for a few days. Keep a torch and a battery-powered radio handy in case of power cuts. These will help you stay informed and safe if the lights go out unexpectedly. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy peace of mind and stay cozy all winter long. Taking these simple steps now means you'll be ready for whatever the weather brings, and you can focus on enjoying the season with your loved ones. To wrap up, Europe is heading into a colder, more unsettled pattern for late November. Western Europe faces rain and wind, Scandinavia and the East get snow, and Central Europe sees a mix. Temperatures will drop everywhere, so be ready to adapt. The GFS model gives us the big picture, but local details will change. So stay updated. Check your National Weather Service and local forecasts for the latest warnings. Timely information helps you make smart decisions, from travel to daily routines. We can't control the weather, but we can prepare for it. Dress warmly, allow extra travel time, and look out for your neighbors. Stay safe, stay warm, and we'll get through this seasonal shift together. That's the outlook for Europe. Now here's what's happening in your neck of the woods.